To flash a rough opening with the Force Field Weather Barrier System, start by cutting an appropriate length of Force Field flex tape. Ensure it extends at least 6 inches up the jambs to cover the opening properly. Next, position the flex tape inside the rough opening over the sill. Starting at one side, peel and fold half of the release liner back and press it into place. Remove the remaining liner and, starting at the corners, stretch the flashing over the face of the panel and jamb. Use firm hand pressure to press the tape into place. Then, roll the flex tape with a J-roller to eliminate wrinkles and air bubbles for a smooth, strong seal. Next, cut additional pieces of premium tape for the jambs, extending past the header, and apply it over the flex tape and onto the panel surface. Finally, cut a piece of premium tape for the header, ensuring it is long enough to extend past the jamb flashing. Install the premium tape on the head, overlapping the jamb flashing in a shingle lap fashion. Press firmly to seal and smooth. Window flashing should be installed in a continuous fashion without voids or fish mouths. If any imperfections are present, more tape can be added to ensure continuity of the flashing. After installation, flanged windows should be sealed to the rough opening flashing with premium tape.